Just a quick story. My snowblower V-belt broke on Friday of last week, and we were going to get 10 inches of snow. I got to get my wife out the door to go to work, and I got to get going for my job, and my belt breaks. Pretty pissed off. The guys at the shop put on the wrong size belt, but luckily I had a V-belt replacement sitting around, these AccuLink or twist belts, depending on what you're calling them. I had one of these on my joiner, ripped it off real quick, threw it on the snowblower, and within 10 minutes I was running and getting everything going. These belts are really cool. They link in. So once you are disconnected, you reconnect here by twisting two belts together, and you can get a screwdriver or tippy pliers and link this one in. Just like that. And you've got your belt set up, back ready to go. These belts save a whole bunch of time, and I went out and bought a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 size as well. A bunch of different manufacturers make them. Grizzly. This is a Power Twist V-belt. So a bunch of companies are making them. Buy a couple of these, keep them in the shop. If your drill press, bandsaw, table saw, whatever go down, these blades replace really quickly. Not too expensive, but well worth having on hand when you really need it. So, thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next vid.